I'm Kelton Glevy with Roadware Incorporated. Are you looking for something better in concrete repair? Are your floors crumbling, control joints spalling? Are the concrete repairs you made a few weeks ago already coming out? Are forklifts and tow motors crushing your floors? Did the epoxy patch you purchased online come out in little chunks? Are you ready to take your concrete repairs to the next level? Roadware introduced structural polyurethane in the 1990s. Our 10-minute concrete mender is the original ultra-low viscosity structural polyurethane that penetrates so deep into concrete it virtually eliminates bond line failure. It's called microdowling. Our easy injection system lets you repair cracks 2 feet deep or more without pumps or ports. Roadware Flexible Cement 2 is a tough polyurethane for control joints and heavy traffic industrial applications. MatchCrete Clear is a polyurethane for exposed aggregate and decorative concrete that resists UV yellowing and sunlight. Roadware is a custom formulator, blender, and manufacturer of concrete repair polymers for civil, industrial, and commercial use. We are proud to make our products and be 100% based in the United States. Today, Roadware concrete repair products are available in 30 countries on 6 continents. It all started in a garage, and we'll never forget it. To learn more about our journey and take your concrete repair to the next level, click subscribe and join our road crew.